the way you're living, that life is happening to you, that you're a victim of your circumstances, is draining your life force. What if reality isn't something that happens to you? What if reality is happening because of you? Most of us are walking around like passengers, believing that we're at the mercy of our circumstances, chasing validation, stuck in struggle. Your world, the life around you, isn't the background of some musical production. It's a reflection of you, your thoughts, your perspectives, and it's waiting for you to make the first move. Let's explore how making this shift can bend your reality, your world, into the life that you want. In my 40 years of travel and working with artists and academics and business executives, I've encountered a lot of people managing doubt and fear about their future. Stick around to the end, and the fear and the shame you think is running your life may transform into the fuel you need to beat it. I call them lions, life challenges. Walk with them. Here's what we're taught. Work hard, stay positive, visualize success, be polite, be kind, do the right things, and eventually life will reward you. How's that working out for you? I can see billionaires making more billions, and the rest of us are fighting for leftover scraps. But what if life isn't responding to your actions, but to your alignment? What are you aligning yourself with socially, spiritually, emotionally? If you're wearing a mask, reality is not responding to it. Reality does not care how polished you look, how others see you, how well you play the part. Reality responds to your frequency, who you are when no one's watching. Your job, your relationships, your opportunities, these aren't just happening randomly. They're feedback. They're reflections. Reality is constantly turning into the signal you're sending out. If your internal dialogue says, I'm not enough, no vision board in the world is going to change that. If your energy says, I'm scared, then even your boldest actions will bring fear-based results. Living in scarcity breeds more scarcity in the same way that thinking from a point of view of abundance brings more into your life. That's why so many of us feel stuck. We say we want love, but we think about it as if the person we dream of is never going to show up. We say we want success, but that desire is born out of the fear of failure. The universe listens to our truth, not our script, not the role we play, not the mask we wear. Maybe you're exhausted not because you're broken, but because you're performing. You're performing confidence, you're performing joy, you're performing strength. But that performance sends mixed signals. And reality, it's not fooled. It mirrors your being, not your pretending. So if you're tired of pretending, good. That means you're ready to get honest. When you stop trying to force reality to bend to your will and instead start being who you really are, reality begins to move towards you. People show up, ideas flow, doors open, things start to happen. Not because you chased them, because you stopped hiding and attracted them. That's the power of congruence. When your thoughts, emotions, and actions line up, when you send a clear, honest signal, reality responds. Not to who you wish you were, but to who you are. You don't have to fix yourself to deserve the life you want. You just have to stop being who you're not. Stop apologizing for your existence. Stop shrinking, pretending, performing. Take off the mask. You're not here to prove. You're here to be. And when you become the version of you that reality has been waiting for, everything becomes possible. So what are you broadcasting? Are you sending out fear, shame, guilt? Or are you rooted in truth, clarity, and presence? Your world is not some distant thing that needs managing. It's a live performance that's responding to your cue, like a live radio show. You're on air 24/7. You're not the passenger, you're the conductor. The next time you find yourself in performance mode because you think the people around you need their version of you, pause and drop the act so that they and the rest of your life can respond to the real you. Get honest with yourself and align your world and your actions with the inner you. And trust that when you do, reality will rise to meet you. If you think you can align your action with your inner truth and manifest your own reality, then you're ready for the next to dig a little deeper. Finding your why. One planet, one tribe, one world, one love. I'll see you there.